Assalamu alaikum. Hello, everybody. Welcome to your third video about in C programming. Okay, today our video will be very short. It's about comments. Two types of comments are in C. First type is a one-line comment, which is double forward slash, double slash, and you write whatever you want after it. And you will stop there. After right there you can declare int a equal b equal to, and then you can print f that a. Today was supposed to be about variables and integers, and I thought why not get this out of the way. And right now I'm gonna upload a video about variables and stuff like that. So I created a new file with Control N, just reminding you of the shortcuts. And also now I'm gonna compile it, but with F11. I'm just gonna click F11. So first I'm gonna save it. This is our code 1. Let's say here code 2, whatever, code 2. The second type of commenting is more than one line comment, and that is forward slash asterisk or a star, and we will see. As long as we don't put, as long as we don't close it, whatever comes after it is a comment now, is not functioning. Okay, to close it, a star or an asterisk, and then a forward slash, and whatever comes in here will be commented. Nothing happens. You see? And when we compile this, your code will be completely empty. It will be completely empty. Let's execute the first. Let's compile it and see what happens. Include D. Silly me. Dun, 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 dun. Our code is empty. There is nothing happening here. Okay, let's close it here and compile and run. We'll have 2. We declared the variable, gave it a 2, gave it a number, and printed that number. And see you in the next video.